Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you heard about this craze on social media? It's called OatZempic, and it's being hailed as a natural weight loss miracle. But is it truly a game changer? Well, in this video, we're going to dive into it and see if it's worth all the hype. Hi, I'm Dr. Carter with Modern Body Clinic, and we are weight loss experts. Well, certainly oats are one food category that we often describe as healthy. Part of that reason is that what we call low glycemic, meaning not going to spike your blood sugar as much, which is important for multiple reasons, including losing weight. Also, it has a high fiber content that helps with feeling fuller, but also feeding the right gut in your stomach and lower the risk of certain cancer. Definitely on board with fiber. Now, this is certainly different from the medication Ozempic, which is medication that works by slowing down your GI tract, helps your insulin response, and it does certainly decrease the appetite. OatZempic is not going to be as powerful as Ozempic. What is Ozempic exactly? Well, there's a few different variations, but the main thing is half a cup of oats mixed with half a cup of water and juice of half a lime. And essentially you blend that up and drink it. And you use it either once or twice a day. So it could be breakfast and lunch or breakfast and dinner. Essentially it's acting as a meal replacement throughout the course of a day. If you're doing it twice, that's 300 calories, which is going to lead to weight loss depending on what that third meal is or how much you're snacking and whatnot. There are certainly some potential downsides. One of those things could be that nutritional deficiencies. So if we're just eating those specific foods and we're not getting a high amount of those either, we expose ourselves to having deficiencies and a multitude of vitamins and minerals. The issue is that our diet is not really balanced and we're going to be missing certain vitamins and nutrients when we do that. Also, some people may have GI issues. Not everyone's going to do well with just oats as their main fiber source. Your body just may not like it. And you can have other issues, including skin changes. You may have more breakouts, joint pain. Those are other things that could happen that are certainly unexpected. Oats are healthy. This is certainly not a magical solution by itself. Another thing, if you are considering this, you probably will see weight loss, but this should just be part of the mix. It is certainly not meant to be a long-term. You really want to have a comprehensive plan if you want to keep the weight off. You want to look at those habits that may have gotten in the way of losing weight before and make sure you replace those with something else that is going to sustain the weight loss after. Instead of doing Ozempic, there is something else we can do to make the meal a lot more healthier and satiating and make sure that we can do our weight loss journey for a longer period of time. One method is, instead of using this blended cocktail, is to do overnight oats. One recipe I really like is a half cup of oats with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and that alone is just going to double the fiber content. And then we add 20 grams of whey protein. I may add vanilla stevia, but you can use honey as well, or agave nectar, some cinnamon, and then 1 tablespoon of MCT oil. Now, if you haven't had MCT oil, start off with a teaspoon because it is something that could move through your system quickly. And then 1 cup of almond milk. We would just rest that in the refrigerator overnight, and then it's ready to go in the morning. Now, this is going to be more than 150 calories. This is going to be somewhere around 400 calories, but we're going to get close to 10 grams of fiber. We're going to get 30 grams of protein, and this is going to be really much better than Ozempic and certainly more satiating, something you can do for a longer period of time. And one of the issues when doing a diet like Ozempic is it's very low calorie. And so a challenge is going to be exercising. You're just not going to feel like exercising. Another challenge is protein, and it's going to be very difficult to get enough protein. Most people are going to need 60 to 100 grams minimum. What happens if you don't get enough protein? We're going to lose more muscle than we want during our weight loss journey. There you have it. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and you'll get more information like this. Otherwise, check out one of these videos on weight loss.